Hey everyone, we are the group I'm the host for today's topic. It's all about incumbent cervix. Okay, first I'm going to introduce the doctors, nurses, and midwives in different hospitals. And please welcome from doctors University, Dr. Anzo.
Sige na! From...
From Shaw Hospital, Dr. April Chino.
From District Hospital.
And from Cebu City Medical Center, Nurse Ray. And from Maternity Periculture Midwife Makaraya. We next discuss about the description
Mike.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm Dr. Our topic for today is about incompetent cervix. So, incompetent cervix is also known as premature cervical dilatation. It refers to a cervix that dilates prematurely and therefore cannot hold the fetus under birth. The dilatation is usually painless and often the symptoms is a show. So a show is a pink-age vaginal discharge and with increased pelvic pressure that may followed by rupture of membranes and the discharge of
Thank you. And Dr. Anza, what do you know about this approach? It is the cervix.
Morning, Doc. Morning, Doc. Morning, Doc.
Tuldok.
Thank you. Nurses, what are nursing management and policies of the region and everyone?
Good morning, everyone.
Face, oh, face.
Today, nursing management are the following. First, provide a guidance to the family first, acknowledging about the problem. Like Dr. Judy said, the increase of pelvic, the increase of pelvic then pressure, and then next is the rupture of the membranes. And then the second is maintain an environment of preservation, maintain an environment of preservation during pregnancy, like discuss the importance of vaginal rest, like no having sexual intercourse during pregnancy. And then the third is prepare for birth if the membranes are ruptured. And then lastly, address the psychosocial and emotional needs of the client.
This one, what we have in the assessment findings that can be found, and what is the sign and symptoms?
Good morning, everyone. The assessment findings of the incompetent cervix is that the pregnant women will immediately experience cases leading to the expulsion of the fetus. So the sign and symptoms of this is the pain, vaginal discharge, and increased pelvic pressure followed by the ruptures of the membrane and discharge of the fetus.
Live. Face to face. Ako kuno sa channel 49.
Provide a healthy change to the client and the public. First, about the problem, then the problem, then it must be reported to the education institution or the guidance. The problems are like increased
Ilang topic? Unsat to remote ko.
capture the race.
Ang boss.
Prepare for the bird with the points are short, and then address the psychosocial and emotional needs of the client, and then provide a environment provide an environment of preservation of the integrity measurement so that there is no sexual intercourse during pregnancy. Thank you.
Is there anything about that guy up there?
Patay.
Amen. About the incompetent cervix? By the way, don't mind. Okay. Face.
Premature cervical deposition usually prone of mother usually sila premature na siya
Kamu sunod.
Dili. Ako po sa YouTube.
Okay, that's all for today's topic. Salamat sa Menners and Marshall.